If English feels clear in your mind but stops at your mouth, stay here. This is not a lesson. This is not pressure. This is real, everyday English, the way life sounds in the US. Listen closely, relax your mind, and let understanding happen naturally.
The day begins before the alarm rings. Light slips through the window. The city is already alive. Traffic hums in the distance. Someone laughs outside. A door closes down the hall. Standing near the window, the street comes into view. People move with purpose. Coffee cups in hand. Backpacks over shoulders. Time feels steady, not rushed. A jacket goes on. Keys are picked up. Outside air feels cool. Fresh. Awakening. Steps move toward the corner. Shoes tap softly on the sidewalk. A familiar face passes by. Morning, someone says. A quick nod follows. No extra words needed. At the station, people wait quietly. Some scroll on phones. Others stare ahead. A man nearby shakes his head and mutters. Didn't sleep much. A small smile appears. Same here, comes the reply. The train arrives with a low rumble. Doors slide open. Everyone steps in. Standing near the pole, balance feels easy. Voices float through the car. I'll text you later. Let's talk after work. Did you grab breakfast? Simple phrases. Clear meaning. At the next stop, a woman steps in and looks around. She gestures toward an empty seat. Anyone sitting here? No, you're good. No hesitation. No thinking. Downtown appears quickly. Movement increases. Energy rises. A small cafe sits on the corner. The smell of coffee pulls people inside. The cashier looks up and smiles. Morning. Morning. Comes back naturally. What can I get you? Just a coffee. Payment goes through. A cup slides across the counter. Have a good one. You too. Sitting by the window, the city moves past. People talk. Laugh. Complain about traffic. A phone buzzes. A message pops up. Running a little late. No problem. Take your time. Words feel easy. Automatic. Work begins without ceremony. Screens glow softly. Keyboards click. A coworker leans over. Quick question. An answer comes without effort. Short. Clear. Later, a meeting gathers a few people around a table. No big speeches. Just opinions. I think this works. Let's try it. We can adjust later. No perfect sentences. Just communication. During a break, someone mentions weekend plans. Probably staying in. That sounds nice. Laughter follows. Comfortable silence fills the gap. Outside, afternoon light shifts. A park nearby fills with sound. Footsteps on gravel. A dog barking. Children calling out to each other. Language blends into life. Unnoticed. Natural. Walking back inside, a thought settles in. This is how English is used. Not studied. Lived. Later, the pace slows. Emails thin out. The office grows quieter. A chair slides back. A bag is packed. Heading out. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Evening air feels softer. The sky changes color. On the train home, conversations drift again. What should we eat? Something easy. I don't feel like cooking. Understanding happens instantly. No translation. No pause. A familiar street appears. Lights glow in windows. At a crosswalk, someone hesitates. Is this the right way? A hand points ahead. Straight down. Appreciate it. No problem. Home feels quiet. Comfortable. Shoes come off. A chair waits. Messages are answered calmly. Nothing feels forced. Later, a short walk fills the night. Voices echo from a nearby group. Stories overlap. Laughter rises and fades. English sounds slower now. Gentler. Standing still, the moment settles. This is not practice. This is exposure. The kind that builds confidence without trying. The kind that stays with you. And the day keeps moving forward. The street grows quieter as the night deepens. Footsteps become rare. A bus passes, almost empty. A phone vibrates softly. A quick glance. Nothing urgent. Inside, lights are low. A glass of water is poured. The room feels still. Sitting back, the sounds of the day replay in the mind. Short exchanges. Simple replies. Natural rhythm. No one spoke perfectly. No one needed to. English moved the way life moved. Sometimes fast. Sometimes slow. Later, a message arrives. Did you get home okay? A reply goes out easily. Yeah, just got in. No effort. No doubt. The clock ticks forward. The city rests. Morning returns quietly. Light slips in again. Another day waits. Getting ready feels familiar now. Not because life changed, but because listening did. Outside, the same street appears. Different energy. Same language. A neighbor waves. A smile answers back. Coffee brews. Doors open. Conversations begin again. Each moment adds something small. Confidence builds quietly. Understanding deepens without pressure. This is how fluency grows. Through real moments, real voices, real life. And the day continues, bringing more chances to listen, more chances to speak, and more moments where English simply feels natural. The day slowly comes to a close again. Sounds fade. Lights soften. A chair pulls back. A deep breath follows. The body relaxes. Looking back, nothing dramatic happened. No big speeches. No perfect sentences. Just real moments. Real listening. Real understanding. That's how English becomes comfortable. Not through pressure. Not through fear. But through daily life. If you stayed with this story, you trained your ears. You trained your mind. Every sentence you heard made English feel a little more familiar. Remember this feeling. Calm, clear, confident. Carry it into your day, into your conversations, into every small moment. Keep listening. Keep noticing. Keep going. English will meet you there.